Hey, what's up guys? We are back again with another case comparison. This time we are going to be looking at UAG. This is the Metropolis for the all-new iPad Pro 11-inch. And this is one I just got in from Poetic. This is the Slim Folio. Let's check them out. So as I mentioned, this will be a comparison. So right now I just have both cases. No iPad is in them. We're going to talk a little bit about these cases and what's the upsides to them and the downsides to them. So let's check this out. First off, we're going to be looking at the UAG. Now, UAG offers a great form of protection for that brand new iPad with the microfiber lining on the inside, all the way to the rubber backing, and it also has the magnetic clasp that flips around on the back, and it holds the Apple Pencil. UAG has told me that they have a new case coming out. It's going to remove this from the top, and it's going to allow you to wrap around the Apple Pencil on the side, just as OtterBox has done with their 360 symmetry. But for right now, this is the one that we have. So let me get the iPad in here, show you how it looks, the pros, the cons, what's going to be good for you to buy this case. So here I have the iPad 11-inch. This is the Pro. It actually is in the case already. Now, it flips around back. You got your clear cutout for your camera right here, right here. Speaker grills right here. Charging port is right here. Now, you do have a little gap right in here. So we're gonna lift that up. Now, charging port is clearly visible right there. Pencil up top, speakers up top, mics are up top. Now we have the microfiber lining that's gonna protect our screen. Notice this screen does not support auto sleep and wake. Does not support auto sleep wake. So that's one downside already. It does hold your Apple Pencil, but it holds it in an awkward spot right up top. So you're not going to be able to charge or sync through this case because your Apple Pencil needs to touch the side to do that. So you're stuck up here. Another thing, this magnetic clasp is not as strong as it should be. It's a little weak. Now, I've seen some YouTubers put their pencil here. I even tried it in one of my previous videos. It will hold it, but any certain motion and it will pop off. And you run the risk of losing this $129 Apple Pencil. We do not want to do that. Does it offer protection? Yes, it's nice and rubberized. It's going to get you that protection if you drop it. These edges are hard edges, rubberized. It's going to give you multiple viewing angles. Now, since this is a rubber edging, as you move this along the microfiber lining, you can get any viewing angle that you want. Only downside to this is you are not going to get a true typing mode where it sits up. So a couple of the things that we liked about it, a couple of things that we disliked about it. Number one, we like that it is very protective. It has the nice rubberized edges and it does carry your pencil. Things that we do like about it. Some of the things that we don't like about it, auto sleep wake is not a feature on this tablet. You're not going to get that. The magnet is not as strong as it should be. You cannot charge your pencil and carry this at the same time, just because the magnet is not strong enough to hold that on the edges. Also, we talked about the fact that we have multiple viewing angles, but we do not have a true typing mode. Also, this case is going to cost you about 60 bucks. So for $60, this case, I'm not sure if you're willing to pay that much for it, but you can go out and get you one. 60 bucks, UAG. It's a good, solid product. It just does not have all the features that I would wish for it to have at this moment. Like I said, there is a new one coming out. They have one on the website. So stay tuned to this channel, and we'll get you an update as soon as they get one out. Now let's move on to the next one. Here we have the Slim Folio from Poetic. Now this one may not offer you as much protection as the UAG, but it's going to get you a little bit closer to the case that you actually want for that iPad. The reason I'm saying this is because let's go ahead and put the iPad down in there. I'm gonna just slide it in. Now this Velcro piece lifts up. You're gonna slide your tablet in just like so, all the way over. Putting it in there, taking this and flipping it behind while Velcroing it. Let's get off of this screen. Let's test it out. We're gonna get our sleep wake. There we go. Now this does not have any magnets on the front. So first drawback is you do not have magnetic grip. You have this, the rubber band. Now this is just as good because you're gonna assure that this front end will not come off of your cover. While we have that closed, let's go ahead and explore the top. Your mics and your speakers are up top, clearly visible. Down bottom, same here. Charging port and speakers are clearly visible. Around side, now I will say that this is capable of holding the Apple Pencil. It is charging, and I'll demonstrate just to make sure that you can see it. But Apple Pencil is charging. It will sync and charge with this case on. So that's a plus. We have the auto sleep wake. All of our cutouts are clearly visible. Now, we do have a holder down here for the pencil. I probably won't use that just because it seems to be like in an awkward place. It's down at the bottom. Multiple viewing angles. You're going to flip this around, insert this on the back. You get a stand, and you actually have a true typing mode. So if you're typing a paper, here you go, just like that. This case costs about 10 bucks, 15 bucks. You can go and pick up one of these. Now, this is a very inexpensive case, but it is going to protect your tablet. It will not offer the same level of protection as UAG because UAG has rubberized edges and a rubberized front and back. This is more of a clothy material, very soft. It's not going to offer you the same amount of protection, but it has the auto sleep wake feature, on and off. You can place your pencil on the side and carry this as you go, and it will charge. Now remember, you can carry a pencil here, it will just not charge. Over here, you are charging on the go. You have multiple viewing angles, and you also have a true typing mode when you flip it over and stand it up. So which case is for you? It just depends. If you want to spend 60 bucks on a case, here you go. If you want that rugged protection, here you go. A little less protection and a little less money over here, but you're going to get to charge your pencil on the go. Go for this one. I'll be leaving links to both of these in the description. You go make up your mind. Which one is going to be the best for you? Hopefully this is able to help someone. Give me that thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.